I'm here at Disney's Hollywood Studios to check in on Monsters Incorporated construction and say goodbye to Star Wars Launch Bay. So yeah, this isn't a normal format vlog. I'm just here to get some B-roll footage for the next video, which will be all about the Monsters Incorporated construction. And you know, I actually haven't been here to Hollywood Studios since the day after Muppet Vision closed. And I hear construction going on over there right now. Yeah, having not been here for so long, it's gonna take some getting used to. Well, the Muppet Vision sign is still there. I can see straight clear through because the big gift shop soundstage is gone. I haven't been here in so long. These graphics weren't, this wall wasn't even here because they were still doing the cast member send-off. Oh, that's cute. I like that. But yeah, so I actually don't have even a photo of this final concept art where they updated with the new globe theater. Can you read it? Bert Monstropolis? Meet Monstropolis. Wait, I thought it was gonna be a show. That looks like a meet and greet, right? Most everything else kind of looks the same. I think they removed the billboard here and moved it over here. Harryhausen's the same. This is different. Looks like a little tiny kids play area, like teeny tiny kids. Oh, nice car. And then of course the coaster. I can't believe it. I'm on a work wall. In case there was any doubt about what time period and era this location will be taking place, here is the laugh schedule, not the scare schedule. I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching. I have pretty bad allergies today, so it's actually easier to do the Roz voice. And speaking of Roz, the billboard is still here. Come on, Pizza Razzo. Just look at how open and good it looks, actually, to see the skyline back there without the soundstage. Like, wow. So much more open, so much room for activities. Look at that. Now, BioReconstruct just did some aerial photos over this area, and we can see that they completely tore up all of the ground in the area, and the fountain is gone, which the fountain is in the concept art. So people are like, I thought they were keeping the fountain. But like, the footers and the plumbing is still there. So they're building a new fountain where the Miss Piggy fountain was, you know? It is so funny to me that the fans and lights are still running over here at Pizza Rizzo. Oh no, no, don't come. Don't come for Rizzo. No, no, why? I can't be here. No wonder I don't come here. This is just sad. No. You're tearing up my life. So like I said, I'm gonna get some new B-roll around the area to be used in an upcoming video. My recent Tropical Americas video, which had the voiceover and script written, not like the vlog style like I'm doing right now, did pretty well. So I think one with the Monsters Incorporated story and the Muppets roller coaster coming would be a good next one to do. Since the concept art has our back to this side of the street, I still do wonder if the Grand Avenue facades will be rethemed to be monstrous, or if it'll be kind of like a France Pavilion situation where the front of the France Pavilion is like business in the front and party in the back, where they have all the twisty Pixar style animated buildings in the back and the realistic Paris in the front. Like maybe it's a France Pavilion, but like monsters. Not monsters, but similar enough to work on both sides of the street. So with Pizza Rizzo closed, I've kind of been lost on what to do for lunch while I'm here at Hollywood Studios. I guess I've just been eating my way around the park till I find something that I like. So today, for the first time in a very long time, I am eating at the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater restaurant. Wow, that's a lot of words. Has been so long. Oh my god. Well, that was a really good meal. Like, I really miss being in there because it's so well themed and it's great ambiance, but let's be real, I can't eat there every single time I'm here. First of all, it's a sit-down restaurant. It's too expensive. I spent $30. I mean, it was a really good burger and the fries were really good, but like, I can't play on my phone and just relax because I'm too distracted by watching every single thing on the big screen, which is really entertaining, especially since I don't remember any of it. It's been years. So that was a really fun experience, but we'll try somewhere else next time. Okay, so the other big thing I really wanted to get footage of and some photos of is the old animation courtyard and Star Wars launch bay and surrounding area. But I'm not so much here to say goodbye to launch bay. I have no emotional connection to launch bay. If anything, I'm over here to say goodbye to this arch. If we look at concept art for what's replacing this area, the magic of Disney animation, it kind of appears like this arch is being removed. Of course, the arch has gone through many changes over the years, but it's still worth appreciating the details. Like, look at this. Classic Hollywood represented here in 3 dimensions, and look, animation. So the magic of Disney animation is taking over this area. The Little Mermaid show gets to stay, which just got redone. The new concept art keeps some of this, but loses these outdoor things for meet and greets, at least in the concept art. But Disney Junior Dance Party is coming back with a new show, hopefully more like the old show. Oh, there's the real attraction. Okay, I guess I'll go inside Star Wars launch bay now and say goodbye to it again. I mean, let's be real, this is the only reason this is still open for meet and greets. Those are long wait times. Oh, this is so sad. Is this just stroller parking? Oh my god. This is the theater, right? Currently not showing anything, but there will be a new featurette about animation coming. I remember when this had like a recreation of Walt's office. Oh look, a cantina. Oh good, some blue milk. Refreshing. Wait a minute, BB-8. That's within the time period over there. Why isn't BB-8 meeting? Never mind. Oh, let's go downstairs. Wow, a costume and a speeder bike thingy. I gotta say, these lines are pretty long. Oh, it's Darth Vader. Oh, like props and stuff. So I think the magic of Disney animation is a really good idea. It's probably like a stopgap attraction, like it's not meant to last forever, but also it's harkening back to what was actually here to begin with. Like, I'm old enough to remember when this was the animation tour, which was one of like 3 tours when this park first opened, and it was barely a theme park, more like a behind the scenes of a working studio. Because there is an animation building back here, which is used just for offices now, and you'll be able to walk through and see through glass windows people working on actual animated feature films. And I don't talk about it much, but when I was little, I actually wanted to be a Disney animator. I wanted to work in the ink and paint department, painting on the actual animation cells. But in 1989, 1990, I realized, oh wait, they use computers now. It's just click, click, click to fill in all the color. And that's not as exciting as actually hand painting. I remember the animators had all these little like toys and small things all over their desk. And to this day, I still cover my desk in little small toys and figurines, like the animators I saw that did in 1989. And I do love that they're gonna like bring in the sorcerer hat entrance, not because this park used to have the sorcerer hat and I'm nostalgic for it, because believe me, I'm not, but because then it'll match the animation studio in Burbank, California, the real Disney animation. And that's a nice tie-in. Can I also just say, this Get Animated thing as part of the Cool Kids Summer is happening. If there ever was a proof of concept that something based on the animated characters in this area will be successful, it's definitely this. It is really bright. It is the midday. It is very hot, and I'm making the mistake of walking into Toy Story Land on purpose. What's wrong with me? I thought it was back to school time. So I walked all the way through Toy Story Land to get to the edge where it connects to Galaxy's Edge, because I wanted to see what was with the work walls. I mean, they're probably just working on the entrance here, but what about this other side? This is kind of a big area here at the edge of Galaxy's Edge, covered in work walls. And I don't know if they're like just working on pavement and they're all obsessed with, you know, having, oh, the work walls keep going. The work walls keep going. Keep going. So I haven't heard anything about this, and maybe I need to look on the forums or something, but could they be building some kind of meet and greet thing to replace Star Wars Launch Bay? Like, I know they don't like to mess with the time period of the land, so maybe sticking Darth Vader at the edge of the land makes it okay. You built some canopies and some awnings over here. You got yourselves like a toothless meet and greet stable situation for Darth Vader. I have no idea if that's true or if I'm the first person to think of that. It could just be pavement fixes. That is going to do it for this quick vlog check-in at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And hopefully I'll see you soon with a big Monsters Incorporated construction update on the main channel. Bye.